Okay, Dane Shields here with the vessel Footloose. It is March 23rd, 2023. We're going to do a comparison video. I have cleaned the port side. You can see here along the water line, your paint is, it's you definitely due for some paint. You still have some good paint on, some other. Here's the side I have not cleaned at the water line. You can see it looks pretty nasty. There up there versus there. Let's take a look at the rudder. I've cleaned this side. Now for the side I haven't cleaned. Now let's go look down the side I've cleaned. I'll swim back to the other side and clean it up. Alright, now let's look at the side that I still need to clean. I'm going to get her all cleaned up.